Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Hasin Araf and today we're going to solve a popular CS50 problem called cash. So first of all, I explain the problem first. We know that the coin denominations we are using are based on US currency, where we call 25 cents as quarter, 10 cents as dime, 5 cents as nickel and 1 cent as penny. To solve this problem, we'll use a greedy algorithm approach. A greedy algorithm is a strategy where we always make the best local choice. In this case, that means using the largest coin possible at every step until we reach the exact amount. So in step 1, we'll ask the user how many cents they owe. So ask the user. This input must be a non-negative integer because you can't owe a negative amount of money. We'll keep asking until the user give a valid number. So here we have to use a do while loop to keep asking the user how many cents they owe. Second step is calculate the quarters. We'll start with the largest coin, which is the quarter 25 cent. We check how many times 25 can fit into the total cents using division. For example, if the owner owes 87 cents, our third part is calculate the dimes. We take the remaining cents and do the same thing with the dimes, which is 10 cents. From the leftover 12 cents, we can give 1 dime and leaving 2 cents. Then we can give 1 10 cent, right? And we are leaving 2 cents. In part 4, we're gonna calculate the nickels. You can see from the remaining 2 cents, a nickel doesn't fit, so we skip this step and we'll proceed to the step 5, calculate the pennies. Last part, we will sum up all the numbers, and in the last part we're gonna sum up all the coins like 3 quarters, 1 dimes, then 0 nickels, and last is 2 pennies. 2 pennies equal, we have 3 4 5 6, total 6 coins. Come to the code. You can see I already added 5 functions to get input from the user and calculate quarters, dimes, nickels and pennies, and I already added the main function and we will start our code from here. Now I'll add here get cent functions, which we'll define later. It asks the user how many cents they owe and return it as an integer. Next we calculate how many quarters we can use. We call here calculate quarters from here to passing the cents. Then we subtract the value of those quarters from the total. Quarters to 25. This minus equal to is actually cents equal to cents minus quarters into 25. Now we will do the same for the dime, nickels and pennies. I can copy from here and I can paste. I'm doing this by holding Alt. So the dime is 10, nickel is 5 and penny is 1. Now we will add up all the coins we used and print the result. This is the total number of coins we need to give as change. Integer sum equal quarters, dimes, nickels and pennies. Now we'll print the sum by using printf. And now let's define the getSend function, which keep asking the user for a valid number. We first declare an integer called cents. Then we use a do while loop to keep asking the user for a number until they enter something 0 or higher. And we return the cents. Now let's define each of the coin functions. All of them are very similar using basic division. Now we'll call this Now, as like calculate quarter function, we will write all the functions for dimes, nickel and pennies here. So now we can try to run our code. Make cache. There's the error, line 12. Here should be get int. Here should be get cents. everything is fine, dot slash cash. If I give 55, and that's it, the full working program. It take input from the user, calculate how many of each coin is needed.